Let's go gambling! Aw, dang it! Aw, dang it! Aw, dang it! Aw, dang it!
Jeremiah. Jeremiah.
What's going on, my people? Welcome to the Sn95 Power channel. So let me just get right to it. I'm not even going to try to leave y'all in suspense and have some kind of twist to this video. I'll just come out right now and say it. I took the car out for a drive and it's not shifting into fourth gear. Now I have some theories on what happened, but let's just go through this video, and at the end of it, I'll give you my theories on what happened. So I always say this, and you know, a player can mess up, So this, I don't know if this thing is called the rooster tail or if that's called the rooster tail, but basically this gear select, I have it on the wrong side of this plunger right here. This is supposed to be in between here, and I got it here. That's why I wasn't getting the engagement was funny. I was having an issue where the car wouldn't go in reverse, but if I put it all the way in one, it would engage. I put it in drive, it wouldn't engage. It was just cattywampus. So I had to drop the pin, which is no big deal. But now I have to figure out how to do this. I think if I just move this pin, this will slide in and out just a hair, because this is a rooster tail, I think. This is attached to this gear select. Right now, that's park, but it's in reverse. It's all cattywampus, so we'll get this straight now. I think I gotta pull this pin. I changed my torque converter lockup back to the stock settings. Hopefully, this will get our shift battery correct. All right, first shift was okay. My fuel's a little lean. I'm gonna have to keep an eye on that. On the D-cell, it's okay. Fuel going lean. I have fuel injector cut off on D-cell. Alright, I need to get this to look at the transmission, because I want to make sure it's hitting all the gears. There we go. 1, 2 is okay. 2, 3 is okay. Okay. ding on the 2.3 is gone. I'm gonna show you what the bad news is in a second. No fourth. Absolutely no fourth gear. And I guess, you know, my GPS is really off right now, so I have no idea how fast I'm going. But I don't know. I'll have to look at my data log, see what happened. So obviously I'm not going to get on the expressway. It's not going to stop me from doing really anything that I wanted to do this year. You know, the last couple of local shows I wanted to go to, you know, they're local. I'm not pulling this transmission. I think I'm just going to ride it out to the end of the year, which is another 2 months, and go after that. But yeah, no fourth gear. Which is too bad. I thought that we would really be able to enjoy the rest of the year. I think the overdrive band on this transmission is toast. I put the Sn95 kit on here, so it's definitely not. It's not a leaking servo. So the band has just got to be. The band has got to be gone. Alright, well, we got some questions answered, which is good. I like the way the transmission's feeling right now outside of like the third gear. I'm spinning about 2,500 RPM. It's in third gear. This is like equivalent of like a 430 gear. It won't be bad as long as my transmission temperature stays cool. So we'll head back to the house and close this video out. All right, so let me see if I can get this set up for y'all so you can see what I'm talking about as far as this overdrive band. And I can fix this without having to drop the transmission. So this is the overdrive servo. This is the stock one, because the Sonics one has like a O-ring groove right here. So let's see if I can zoom in. Maybe I don't have to. So right here, this is the overdrive band. Move this over a little bit. So this thing right here is the overdrive band. And what can happen down this bore, let's see, I don't know if I can get that in focus for y'all. Okay, yeah. Let me try to get this light. Okay, so if you look down in there, let me see if I can get this to focus right there. Lock, 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 lock. There we go. So you can see the band has like a perch. And what'll happen sometimes is this thing will come all the way back this way. And when you stick this pin in here, this pin is supposed to ride on that perch. My theory is the band went all the way back and it's not sitting on the perch. And so it's not wrapping around the drum, giving me fourth gear, because like here it's wrapped around it. Here it's not wrapped around it. So I think that's the issue, and we're going to try to fix it. Got the car in the air, fluid's drained. The only thing I have to do now is just get some kind of contraption. That's what that box is over there for. And that piece of cardboard is to catch all the fluid that's still going to drain out of it, because once you pull that valve body acts like a gasket seal. And so you have fluid on the other side of that valve body. So it's a mess. Luckily, it's not hard to take that overdrive servo off and, you know, inspect it, because it could be right and I just have a worn out fourth gear band. So, and if that's the case, if it is worn out, let me get serious with y'all. So when it's serious, when it's, you know, one of these kind of shots, you know it's getting serious. So yeah, so if gosh, Rodriguez, if I pull that servo out and the band isn't out of place, then I just might have to drop the transmission. And honestly, this might be the last thing I do on this car for the year. So, hey, wish me some luck, because I'm about to get ready to get started on this right now. I guess next week we'll continue this, and either we'll be rolling or we'll be dropping the transmission, or I don't know yet. So what did y'all do in this situation? Because it's almost mid-September. I really only have one more month, October, to really enjoy this car. And then after that, you know, it's really the time of the year to put it up. So I'm not really disappointed. You know, that emotional spectrum is gone. Now it's just really thinking forward on what the next step is. And, you know, leave a comment down below. Tell me what y'all do in this situation. So, hey, I appreciate y'all rocking with me in this video. Until next time, God bless.
Boys on the trash.